What is going on, my Well2 family? How y'all doing today? Today's lesson is going to be a 12-inch 375 wall, 60-10 root uphill, 70-18 fill, and cap. Man, I'm excited to do this. A lot of people have been wanting me to throw some big bore pipe, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we'll go to town and see what's up, you know? So, yeah, man, it's going to be a good time. Ready to do it. Hope y'all ready as well. Let's get to it. What the?
Wait. You need a little help on this thing, kind of big. We can get this done half the time. We brother-in-law. What do you think?
You know what? Let me tell you something right now. How in the hell did Bob Moffatt get in the building?
The door was open. I thought, you know, I'd just come down to visit. I heard you had this big event going on tomorrow with all these Texas juniors and seniors, the high school kids, got a little competition.
Oh, yeah.
You need a little help judging that, huh?
Oh, I need a little bit of help judging that, brother. But you know what we're going to do? We're going to brother-in-law this.
You want to?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Bob Moffatt, Amar Aguilo, Weld.com, Well2, about to throw it down. Let's get it.
I'll catch this left-hand side for you, brother.
You like that sound, huh, Bob?
Yeah, it's ripping in there pretty good. Got a little fingernail coming off this rod I'm going to correct. There we go.
Man, what the hell?
Where you at, man?
Damn it.
What you been doing over there? I guess I'll take a water break, wait for you to catch up. Come on now. Come on, bring it.
My machine's running a little hot, but it's all good.
Let me turn you down 5?
Hell no.
No?
Nah, I'm good, brother. I control the heat. I make it do what I wanted to do.
Word. Oh, you're doing that signature Hamar move, aren't you?
Yeah, moving my Christmas tree pattern.
The Christmas tree. I watched him do that on YouTube, man. That's why everybody needs to subscribe to your channel.
Everybody needs to subscribe to Weld.com, brother, because you're smoking me on this root pad.
Oh, yeah, we got it going on, too. You're not watching your weld.
Man, you know what, because I don't really need to, brother.
You know I don't either.
Oh, man, it is what it is, isn't it?
We better look, though, huh?
Yeah, we better just go back in.
Got to do a little feather step up here, brother.
Oh,
Kind of
yeah,
hot.
oh, yeah.
Kind of blowing a little bit.
Tying in just right on time, Bubba. Hey, there you go.
You having any fun over there?
Oh yeah, brother, what about you?
Oh yeah, I'm just going for a little walk.
Just filling up this pipe little by little, bro. Flushing it out already.
Going for a little hot stroll in Houston, Texas this morning.
Coupons, coupons.
Houston, USA. I may have short-armed you a little bit there, bro.
It's all good, brother.
You're switching it up on me, huh?
Alrighty, Weld2 family and Weld.com family. That's it, man. It was that's a wrap. Brother-in-law. It was fun, isn't it?
It was. That was fun. Honor to throw down with you.
Oh, honor to throw down with the legend, brother.
In between rods, I'm over here. Look, I'm going. What is he doing, man? I gotta do that. That's good stuff there.
Same thing with him, brother.
Good tricks.
He threw a 1B cap. I threw a 2B cap. Everybody has different methods, but at the end of the day, still pass. everything like that. So it was fun. It was real fun, man. Honored to weld with you, bro, and for you to come down and actually be with the competition, which is tomorrow.
Absolutely.
It's gonna be a great time. So remember, guys, burn, learn, and eventually y'all gonna earn, and subscribe to weld.com.
Subscribe to WeldTube for sure.
Alrighty, guys, peace.